Hello, good day everyone. For today's update, I focus on with the enhancement of the main.py and the video analysis. So for the main.py, I added few cleanups and also updated some of the asynchronous function to ensure that there won't be any blocking requests and we will be able to handle multiple camera. And for the video analysis, I implemented a new library called AIOHTTP. So this one, the AIOHTTP will now be able to handle multiple requests or non-blocking requests, since the initial implementation that we have is a blocking request in which once we save a data inside the pusher or have a data sent on the API, we're waiting for the response from pusher and API to take place. And what we are usually doing to avoid that is we are having a multiple thread, one thread for pusher and one thread for the event. And this thread is resource intensive and consumes a lot of memory as well as CPU, since we are using a multi-threading approach to solve the issue of blocking requests. That's why I check around and conduct some few researches regarding non-blocking requests and found this AIOHTTP. For other functionalities of the video analysis, it's also retained. However, I made few of the functions as well as the classes async. So I named some of them now with async, like for example, async clock rate limiter. I also updated some of the function to use asynchronous request now. Although this is still work in progress and I still had a lot of things to check on with the asynchronous request to make sure that the problem will not going to occur and there won't be any issues or bug. Right now, there's one issue that I'm still solving, and that one is the no camera found issue. It's saying here that no camera found, check API connection. However, this one is connecting to the API upon checking, but it wasn't able to feed the camera right now. So what I'm trying to debug is the issue, whether it's on the concurrent connection or there's an underlying issue with the Pygame that needs to be resolved. So for this one, I'll be continue working with the issue by tomorrow and fix any other unforeseen issue that I might going to encounter. I think this is all for now. And as you can see here in our FPS, it's a bit higher now than the previous one. What we can get previously was around 16 to 18 maximum. Now we can get 27, 28 up to 30, depends on the number of frames. Thank you.